Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're continuing issue 30 of our Ghostbusters Ecto-1 build. I'm so excited. We have stage 112. Not a lot here, but we did something just like it for the other side, so we got to do it for the driver's side. But let's go ahead, let's get this open, let's see what we got. All right, looks like we're building the reflector today. We have the reflector cup, outer lens, inner lens, the reflector housing, and the rear outer light lens, and of course a mess of screws. All right, let's kick things off really easy. We'll take the crown from the last issue here, and we're gonna take the lens housing, light cap, whatever, and we're basically just gonna push it in so it's nice and flush. Boom. And it will look like that. Absolutely beautiful. For those who watched the last video, I did indeed go ahead and glue this upper trim in so that it stays in place. It's gonna make life so much easier moving forward. Moving on, we're gonna take the housing here, and we're gonna take the inner lens and basically just kind of plop it in there. There we go. Gorgeous. Then we're gonna take the reflector cup here. We're gonna place it in just like so. And we're gonna secure it with 2 AP screws. All right. That looks gorgeous. Now, if you look real close in there, there are 3 screw holes. And the outer lens here has 3 little slots along the edges. So, guess what? Those screw holes line up with those slots when it slides in, and we're going to use 3 RP screws to keep this one in place. There it is. Look how pretty! And that, combined with this, is actually the end of stage 112. So we are done with this bit, and that means the end of the video as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.